Welcome to Cooking for Baby and Me. Today's featured ingredient is plums. We'll be making plum torte with whipped cream and sea scallops with stone fruit jam. This sounds great. Let's get started.
Okay, so we're cooking with plums.
I know. I'm so excited to see what we're going to do.
We're going to put our ingredients together for our jam. We're going to make a stone fruit jam. This is one peach, medium-sized peach, and 2 small apricots.
Which are also stone fruits, right? Because they'll have a little stone in the center.
I actually peeled them with a peeler. We're going to put a little bit of ginger, chopped ginger. We're going to put some sugar. And your sugar, you can really adapt to how sweet your fruit is. We're going to put a cup of red wine. Okay.
There you go.
And we're going to zest an orange into there. So this gives you a nice kind of fragrance.
Tell me a little bit about the plums. What nutrients are we getting from the plums?
There's a lot that you're getting, and that's why it's really important for fruits to be part of our diet all the time. But plums in particular, you're going to get vitamin A, you're going to get vitamin C, you're going to get some calcium, you get some folate, folic acids in there, you get potassium, you get phosphorus. So that little plum right there has got all that good stuff.
Packed, right?
Power packed into that. And one of the things as a pediatrician, parents ask me a lot, well, what vitamins should my child be taking? And I always remind them, rather than taking an artificial supplement, all you need to do is eat your healthy foods, get these things in your diet, and that will create that kind of natural balance that's much better for you.
It's been a long time, but I remember introducing plums fairly early to my kids.
Yes.
About what age?
I'd say around 6 months, breastfeeding formula for the first 6 months of life, and then we start introducing foods.
So I just diced these up, and our jam's already going, and we're just going to push our plums right into the jam. But I think sometimes with the fruits, with the peaches and things like that, people get a little intimidated about how to work with them.
I agree, and I think you buy fruit, or maybe something's on sale or in season, you come home with a whole bushel of something, your child eats a piece of fruit once and then they're sort of bored with it. So finding ways to mix it in to something different will keep it interesting.
It looks fabulous. It's
the other recipe that we had for our that's kind of kid-friendly was it's an adaptation of a recipe of like a plum torte. You can cook them very easily in individual ramekins. It's a pretty standard, just creaming recipe. We put some butter and sugar in here. We're creaming it together.
All right.
Okay, we're going to put our flour in.
There you go. Very nice.
There's a little bit of, this is sifted flour with baking powder in it. And then we'll put our eggs in. Just let it whip up. Yep. So we're going to take this mixture and go ahead and spoon right into the dish. You want to go probably about 3/4 of the way up, okay? I found to cut them in quarters. It works great. I think so. Let's just arrange these in here.
Look how nice that looks.
Okay, that looks great. It was very easy.
That was so fast.
And let's sprinkle the little bit of cinnamon and sugar.
Well, sure, because you have to.
It will drip a little bit, so make sure you put it on a sheet tray. And
okay, that's a good tip. And then we just let it do that.
I think 350 degrees for like 20 minutes. Comes out great. Our jam looks great.
Okay.
And we're pairing this today with some sea scallops. Our end result is right here.
Great. And you can make that ahead of time, I'm guessing, too?
Definitely. We have a torte in the oven ready to go.
Look at what we made.
Fantastic.
I think the aged balsamic goes well with the plums. And we have a little bit of Thai basil.
This looks great. Shall I try it?
All righty. So get a little bit of the fruit and a little bit of the scallop.
Yep. And plums are great.
Chef, that's delicious.
Get mine there eventually.
So nice and fruity and summery.
Yeah, you got the sweetness and the acid.
Really like that.
Let's have dessert.
Absolutely. You don't have to ask me twice.
Okay, careful, might be a little hot in the middle.
This the best part, though, like that warm.
Yes, this is nice. Yeah, you have that nice kind of like warm batter. Awesome.
I literally want to go home and make that tonight.
That's delicious.
That is so good.
So easy
It's
too.
so good.
I hope you guys don't want any more.
Well, the plums are slightly tart, but you can put a little more sugar if you want.
And that's a great way for kids to get a little bit of fruit in their diet.
Yeah, my kids would love that.